Connectors, when and while. Hello guys, today you are going to learn how to use when and while correctly. When it is used at or immediately after a specific point in time. When has four meanings. Interruption, past continuous plus when plus past simple. Examples: he was holding his newborn baby when you called. Another one: you guys were dancing when Mary served the food. And another one: I was swimming with Alice when my family arrived. Second, same time, past continuous plus when or while plus past continuous. Examples: my mother was cleaning the house when or while I was studying English. Derek's dog was barking when or while we were talking on the phone. She was baking a chocolate cake when or while her mother was doing the dishes. 3. Immediately after. When plus past simple plus past simple. Examples: when you called, he picked up his phone. Another one: when she got up this morning, he cleaned her room. Another one: when we met last night, you smiled at me. Number 4. Anytime, whenever. When plus present simple plus present simple. Examples: when he has a question, he calls the doctor. Another one: when we start our English class, our teacher prays. Another one: when I see you at home, you come and hug me. While it is used when something happens at the same time as something else. While has two meanings. Number 1, same time, past continuous plus while or when plus past continuous. Examples: number 1, they were eating popcorn while or when they were watching a movie. Another one: Michael was enjoying the view while or when he was riding his bicycle. Another one: John was having a headache while or when he was visiting his doctor. Number 2, contrast, while plus present simple plus present simple. Examples: while some fathers are uncomfortable holding newborns, others are not. Another one: while I teach, they don't pay attention to my instructions. Another one: while my friends enjoy the sun at the beach, I stay under an umbrella. Exercises. Number 1, I was having lunch when James arrived. Number 2, when I heard the doorbell, I went to the door. Number 3, while Joe was washing her hair, I did my homework. Number 4, while I buy the bread, you can go to the butcher shop. Number 5, I was at the baker's when I met my friend Charles. Number 6, the customer was being helped by the salesman when the thief came into the store. Number 7, when you saw Kate, was he with his wife? Number 8, I was in the shop when someone stole my bag. Number 9, I hurt my back when I tried to lift the piano. Number 10, while we were standing outside the cinema, someone picked my pocket. Number 11, when Mrs. Scott came back to her hotel, she called the elevator. Okay, guys, I will see you soon.